So Bitcoin actually had a bit of a falling off the cliff. You have a look at this thing through here, you can see that Bitcoin actually started to fall off the cliff from around 19,000 down to around about, what is that level? I can't read it. I need to get glasses. 16,000. Bitcoin crash. What's next, guys? Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So let's have a look at what the good old Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin actually crashed. So what's actually next when it comes to Bitcoin and what's going on here? Now, the first thing I do see, guys, is that Bitcoin was due for some sort of pullback. I did a video a few days ago on my good old YouTubes. And I was actually saying, just be very, very, very careful that this whole area through here could indeed be an area where the market is going to get a bit of a pullback. Now, looking at the daily charts, we are well overextended through here. If I bring up my moving averages, let me actually just bring up the moving averages here for a minute. So I'm going to bring up the moving average. And I'm going to then change that. Oh, there we go. I'm going to change that to a 52. Right, now, I want to share something with you here. Notice this 52 moving average. I want you to notice something. I'm squeezing my chart up as much as possible. Notice the maximum distance it gets. Notice what happens here. When it gets too far away from the moving average, guess what happens? We end up getting a bit of a pullback to the market. There's a maximum distance that the market, that Bitcoin gets to it before it comes back down to it. It's called the market becoming equilibrium. So if I'm just using a trend line, let me actually just use this here from a trend line, and I'm going to use this level back here. This level back here seemed to be a maximum high to the maximum low point, to that point through there. So that was actually a really, this is as you can see, very big bubble territory. And then we came back down to where? We came back down to the to moving average and so on and so forth. And whenever we get too far away or too far up, we generally come back down to it. It's such an incredible tool to use when you're seeing, is the market overextended, is it not? Look at that there. So that exact same length to the upside of the distance from the 52 before it was too overstretched and before it came back like elastic band, because that's what market does. I'm using that exact same level. I'm also going to measure from the low to the high point of this absolute maximum point down, and you can see that was through there, and that was actually exactly the same on the downside through there. Not through there. Where are we right now? So we're not exactly, oh my goodness, actually, you know what, look at that through there. We're pretty much, oh my goodness, 100%. So this maximum, oh my goodness, I just realized that. Isn't that incredible? Oh my goodness, guys, I love it. The maximum distance that Bitcoin got back here in July, before we overstretched, before we came back to the 52, was the exact same length that it did from here, from the 52. And look where we are right now. That was the maximum length. It was like maybe a few dollars short of that before we come back to the 52. So what is that telling you? Firstly, we've done a lot of movement up. Okay, the Bitcoin move has been done, guys. Do not be trying to chase it now. It's probably likely to go through some sort of a pullback phase and some sort of a resting phase through here. Okay, because remember that's the way the market does that. And if you get very big long-term moves, think about that of you going to the gym. You're going, and you're pushing it like me, right? Right now, it's the start of the week. On the weekend, I was just, right? I went to the gym and I did a high intense cardio class, and afterwards, I felt like I was going to throw up. And that was first in the morning, around 7 o'clock in the morning. By lunchtime, I felt like a train ran over me. All right, I needed a really good rest. I needed some nice hot showers. I needed some nice ice baths. I needed a massage. I didn't get a massage, but I needed it though. I needed some stretching. I needed some resting for a while. That's the way the market is, right? We need the Bitcoin move and then the Bitcoin crash, and now exactly like that, right? This point right here is like me when I finished the gym workout, on the weekend. It was like, oh my goodness, look what's happening. I felt like I was going to throw up. I pushed myself that hard. And now guess what? And then over 24 hours, 48 hours later, we're probably going to do something like this, a bit of a resting phase. So expect something like that, guys. Expect maybe a bit of a pullback towards the 52 to get a bit of equilibrium from there. And then maybe a continuation. And you can see that that's actually what Bitcoin has actually done ever since we started this nice, big, bullish upward move. We can see that we've had a strong move up and then a strong sideways movement, a strong move up and then a sideways movement, and then a strong move up. And now we're probably going to get a little bit of a pullback and then maybe a continuation again. Or maybe because we did a big vertical, maybe we're going to see something like this and then come back down here on a retracement level. Now, the interesting thing about that is that when it comes to Bitcoin, we are in a very, very, very big bull market through here with definitely strong breakout. Very, 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 very strong breakout. You can see it actually made a massive double top back here in 2016, which also caused it to stop. But looking at Bitcoin here, let's actually go back to the daily charts here. I'm just going to do a bit of a good old Fibonacci retracement. And I'm using investing.com here, guys, to view all my charts. I don't have my actual crypto platform open right now, so that's what I'm using, investing.com. So go to investing.com, guys, check it out. I think it's an amazing site for a lot of different things. Where is my good old Fibonacci levels? Where are you? Come on, Fibonacci, where are you? Here you are. All right, so Fibonacci retracement. So if I go from the absolute low point, guys, to the absolute high point, you can see that right now, the 50% level, the 50% retracement level, we have the 26, which is not really much anyway. Actually, let me see if I can. Let me see if I can do something here. Oh, let me just cancel that. So the 38 is probably the main one. So we're probably likely to get maybe a 38% retracement, maybe. And even maybe down to 50% level, which is really interesting because that's where the 52 is actually starting to become headed into as well too. So it'd be really interesting to see what happens there. But right now, guys, for me personally, if I was looking to get into Bitcoin, which I'm not right now, I would like to see this thing go through a bit of a nice pullback first to just to balance things out. If this thing does just hold here and then go for another big run, guys, then we're now in definitely bubble territory. We're in slight little bubble territory right now. Slight little bubble territory. And once again, guys, if I open up my charts, you can see that when in the past, when the market gets too far away from the moving average, once again, it comes back down to it. So you don't want to see this thing get too far away. If you're a Bitcoin long-term investor, you actually want to see now, maybe spend another month or two just going sideways or having a bit of a pullback. You don't want to see this thing get too up, because if it does, I guarantee if it gets to 22,000 and you're screaming, oh, this is so amazing, and then suddenly before you know it, it's down at 15,000 because we actually bubbled. You don't want that. You want this thing to go through a bit of resting phase now and then continue back up. Let the moving averages catch back up, and so on and so forth. And you can see back here as well too, right? Back in this big bull market back here in the 2017 level, look what happened. Let's actually do this here. Look what happened, right? Move up, move back to 52. Move up, move back to the 52. Move up, move back to the 52. Creating what? Nice little beautiful higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So hope that helps you out, guys. Bitcoin crash. We may be getting ready for some sort of more of a pullback coming soon. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Balls trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.